the weather, brass monkeys, brass buttons as well.
It's pretty chilly out there, isn't it, Sean? Yes, and we do have snow. This was snow in Cromer just an hour ago, and parts of Norfolk and Suffolk are covered by a yellow weather warning for snow and ice, so pretty treacherous on untreated surfaces. That snow is settling. It's really a mixture of rain, sleet and snow, and this is the warning area, so you can see it's not covering very much of our region, but those parts of Norfolk and Suffolk in that warning area. So this is the radar showing the mixture of rain, sleet and snow that has been slowly moving down from the northwest on those brisk northwesterly winds, and it's particularly on the North Norfolk coast that those winds are bitter. They are very strong. These are the average wind speeds, gusts approaching 40 miles an hour, could be in excess of 40. Elsewhere, not quite so strong, but still very cold. We've got that Arctic air mass, 3 or 4 Celsius our high, some sunshine across those western counties. So this evening and overnight, the showers fade. There'll be a lot of clear sky out there. So it is another chilly one. However, the middle part of the night is likely to be the coldest. So down to around -4, but those temperatures will start to lift as we get to first thing tomorrow morning. A little bit more cloud moving up from the south, which is tied into this weather system here. But you can see from the blues on the chart, we stay in that cold Arctic air mass for tomorrow. We're likely to see a lot of dry weather though. Could be a lot of ice around first thing, but plenty of sunshine, some patchy cloud pushing in, but it is expected to stay dry and still very chilly. So our temperatures not really rising much above freezing, 2 or 3 Celsius. The wind's not quite so strong, but again noticeable on the North Norfolk coast. This is what's coming for the weekend. It's not a named storm yet, but it may well get named tomorrow. It's a deep area of low pressure. It's going to bring us some wet and very windy conditions for the weekend. So we can expect quite a shift in gear. It'll also bring milder conditions as well. So those temperatures shooting up. Saturday, you can see those average wind speeds close to 50 miles an hour, but much milder. Looking a little cooler into the start of next week. But yes, certainly looking milder but wilder into the weekend. Sure.
You're a poet, aren't you?
About it. Alex,
what you need is a stand so it doesn't fall over like ours did one year.
It fell completely over, did it?
Completely. We lost some amazing baubles as well.
No.
You've got to get the right stand.
OK.
Anyway, we're not quite on Christmas trees in our family yet, but I'm sure we're not far away. But it has felt quite wintry today, hasn't it? Because we've had some further snow showers, mainly affecting parts of Norfolk and Suffolk, but some wintry scenes for some of you. And it was even snowing on the beach in Cromer this morning, this photograph taken from Cromer Pier. But what a contrast was Cambridge. Still bitterly cold, but plenty of blue sky and sunshine, and also some beautiful autumn colours. Now at the moment we have still got a yellow weather warning in force for Norfolk and Suffolk for icy conditions, because where we've seen those showers it's likely to be quite treacherous out on the roads, and you can see from the shading in the map the area that's covered, but it is going to be really cold across the board with a lot of clear sky out there tonight. Now the showers from earlier, you can see the track of them being brought in from the North Sea on this brisk northwesterly wind. Most of them are out now in the North Sea. They'll continue to fade, so it does look like it'll be dry for all of us overnight tonight. A lot of clear sky, so we are going to see those temperatures drop once more. So a widespread sharp frost and temperatures potentially as low as -4 Celsius. However, it looks as though the middle part of the night will be the coldest, with those temperatures recovering by the end of the night. We've still got a brisk northwesterly wind for the North Norfolk coast, but elsewhere those winds ease down and it won't be quite so windy tomorrow, but we still have this Arctic air mass. You can see the blues on the chart, so very cold conditions after that very chilly start. We'll see plenty of sunshine tomorrow and it is expected to stay dry, but don't expect those temperatures to be much over freezing. 3, perhaps 4 Celsius for most of us, a little bit of cloud building for the afternoon. Then it's all changed for the weekend. This area of low pressure, it has not been named as a storm yet, but that may well happen tomorrow. It is going to bring in some mild air, also a lot of rain and some very windy conditions. So we could find wind gusts approaching 50 miles an hour or over as we get to Saturday. So what a change. Those temperatures of 3 or 4 degrees shooting up to 11 to 15 degrees with sunshine, accompanied by some brisk winds. And then, of course, after the frost, we'll have some mild nights as well. Amelia.
Extraordinary difference in temperatures. I bet there's big icy roads tonight and tomorrow
Definitely.
morning, though. Yeah.
Watch out for Hello. A yellow weather warning for ice is still in force for Norfolk and Suffolk tonight. We are going to see a widespread sharp frost. Those earlier sleet and snow showers have cleared a lot of clear sky out there, so temperatures are likely to get down as low as -4 Celsius. Winds gradually easing down, and they won't be quite as strong tomorrow compared with today, but it is going to be a very chilly day again with this cold Arctic air mass still in place. So we start the day with some icy conditions out there. Plenty of sunshine. It's still going to stay very chilly, highs of around 3 or 4 Celsius. Still a brisk wind on the North Norfolk coast, but elsewhere not too bad. Looking ahead to the weekend, all change, much milder weather coming our way, but also some wet and windy conditions.